We're going to look at how to create assignments for students and then to share those assignments with parents. I'm going to go over here to where it says student roster. I have a student here. Now, first thing you want to do is assign content specifically to that student. We have the assignment tab up here. Before you create an assignment, you will need to go down to the content library and look at the assigned activities you have for that student. So you can see I have a few activities here that I've assigned to this student. I'm going to go up to where it says assignment. That is where you click if you want to provide an activity for that client to do when they are not with you. So if you click on that, you're going to see I do have one assignment here, and I'm going to create another assignment for this student. So looking down here, I want this student to understand laundry concept. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to call it laundry concept. Laundry concepts. The topic is going to be speech and communication. I have my assigned date here, and the due date is 2 days from now. I'm going to give the student a little bit more grace and give them some time to do that. I've clicked on it here, and now I'm going to click submit. It's been successfully saved. So now underneath this assignment tab, you can see these 2 items have been assigned for that student. You can click on the assignment to look at it and get an idea of what you've assigned for that student.